Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about uh, is that person that you are think about is thinking as you think about them, okay? What they think about you, and if they think about you as you think about them. And there are two piles, which pile you are attracted most, choose that pile. And I am going to is the pile number 1. Those who choose the pile number 1 with this blue color sandal keychain, your first card is King of Wands upside down. They are not thinking as you think about them. They are thinking about you that you are not the successful person, you are not the person who can make the good decisions, and you are not the faithful person, you are not the loyal person, you can't defend them, blah blah. With this next card, Ace of Pentacles, they think that you are good in making money, and also they think that you are in you love the money, or maybe they want to they have a desire about you, they want to take this relationship with you. And with this Four of Swords, they want to have a time for them to relax, to think about you, and for some relaxment they need that time. Okay, Six of Wands, they think that they are going to win you, or you are going to win them, or you are going to successful in some situation. Yes, I think you both like each other. The Fool card, but they are afraid to come towards you, or they think that you are not the person who is taking the risk taker. You are not a risk taker. And Eight of Wands, that's why you are not coming towards them, or they are not coming towards you. This is the blockage of movement. And there is no you are not the fake person, you are not the liar, you are not the cheater. And they know that you are not cheater, you are not bonding them, you are not chained them, you are not telling them the lie. And with this other card, you are the good person for the they think that you are good for them in their family life, a family person. And King of Wands, yes, definitely. Once there is a King of Wands upside down, and now this is in the right position, and now they are thinking that you are good for them. You are not the person that you are before in your past. You are changed, and now you are a successful person. They can marry you, they can have you in their life. Okay, it's good for them, you are a good person now. They are happy with you. They are thinking that you are the best person, you are the best family man, protector, and good person to be with. And but they have no clarity about this situation. I think they want the clarity, and they have no clarity about this situation. And now you are not the money maker person, you are not as wise, but you are good for their home. And I think you are not making your promise here. Okay, religious factor, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Maybe that is the situation, or maybe this is that your upbringing is different from their upbringing, your habits, your way of talk, living. That's that what is affected over here. Yes, they think that this is the blockage between you both, or this is the difference between you both. Angel of Alchemy miracle, I think there is some miracle going to happen that will change the situation, and I think they are praying for that miracle. Butterfly person, yes, they think that you are the butterfly person, you are not the one person's man. uh, you have lots of girlfriends and boyfriends, something like that. And yeah, good money maker over here. uh, but you yourself is not the king. You are not able to decide on your own. You someone is controlling you over here. Someone is controlling you. You are in someone's hand. They know that the person you are asking for, they think that you are that kind of person, you are a successful person, but you are restricted. That person that is controlling them, they are restricted you to move towards them. They know that. They want some clarity over here. They want to know if you want to marry them, if you want to come towards them, if you want to love them or have them in your life or no. They want that clarity. They have no clarity over this situation, that if you are going towards them or not. Okay, I think I know the person which this reading is belong to, but I want to clarify some more cards for you. Okay, for my pile number 1 with the blue color sandal keychain, you are, I think you are underestimate them. They are telling you you are underestimate me. And I am, maybe someone is controlling them, but they are not in your condition. They are not control of them. They are in not of their control, and they are offering you their ring. They are offering you, they are proposing you. Okay, they are proposing you over here. And with this all children's mental level are not same. They have different need. Okay, and maybe you have different need, or maybe that person have some children problem, their needs and something. And Barkano, the bridge goddess, regenerative power, light of spring, renewal, promise of new beginning. Yes, new beginning. You have the new beginning with that person. Definitely you are going to have a new beginning with this person, and a happy home life with that person. Okay, with this what is this, 90% of the time someone needs to ask you a question. They are recalling all the bad things you did. Okay, of the time someone needs to ask you a question, the are recalling. Okay, that's necessary for you. Please give attention to that situation. Don't do anything bad towards others, because they will repeat it on your face, that you had done that, you done this. Okay, children think totally different from an adult man. Okay, I think that there is definitely uh, children problem over this situation. And maybe the upbringing of that person is different from you. That children issue is from their childhood. Okay, and with this Balder and Isaiah called the son of Odin, and that person is very beautiful and gorgeous, lovable. That's why you are attracted to that person. And maybe they are from good family background. Okay, power of sunlight. Sunlight isn't only good for your bones, it can actually prevent mood disorders like depression, and releases pleasurable hormones 10 minutes in sunlight to give you brain energy. And if some of you are from Hinduism, you have to pray for sun devta or something, and for others you have to spend some time in sun for your own good. And the sun is coming in your life. That means the abundance, the happiness, the joyful, the success. Okay. Canals, torch or beacon, power to create your own reality, the power of light. Yes, now you are going to create your own reality with that person. You are going to begin something new with that person. Okay, that person is coming towards you. Okay, with this, what is this? Being lost. You have lost your reality. You have to keep down. What is this? But you are keep going. It reach out and warning you that you are on the wrong way. Okay, maybe you are on the wrong way. That person is already with someone else, and you want that person, and this is not good for you. But if you have that person in your life, that will be the good father for your children or good mother for your children. And nuns, the sisters who control the destinies of both gods and human. Destiny controllers, your situation is in hands of gods. Yes, definitely your situation is in hands of God. So pray for your love, for your hurt, for your happiness. Okay, with this, what is this? Flying. Okay, flying in dreams make you feel happy, ready to make bold decisions in life, confidently change it. Darken meanings you have too much on your plate, want to fly above your problems, closing eyes from problems. Something have to change in happiness and reality. Take a closer look at your life. Yes, maybe you are going to have that person, and maybe you have to change your reality or something in your life. This could also be the reason of that paper. Okay, then you have got Thor. And if someone had done something bad to you, or you had done something bad to someone, then you are going to be punished. Try to avoid the social events. Pretend to be busy. Extroverts want to know you that why are you so different from them. When you go out to parties, you spend your time very nicely and enjoying it. But your goal is not to join with them. If you found someone to croak with them, it's now for you only comforting others. Okay. I think you are an introvert person. You don't like to go in parties and something like that. And you are a lonely person, so you need that person. And you are the person who makes others feel good. Okay, with the lindworm appears some dragon. Okay. You have some biggest trouble in your path towards that person. I think so. That you had some problem in the way. Okay, that's for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about your situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to watch my upcoming videos, then you have to subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get my all new videos. for now, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the reading number 2. For those who choose the reading number 2 with this crystal Mathav India, your first card is Two of Cups. I think that person they are not in love with you. They don't like you. They don't want to share anything with you. They don't want to have you in their life. And Nine of Cups, I think they think that their wishes are not coming true with you. You are not their wish. And the Emperor, they don't want to protect you. They don't want to defend you. They don't think that they have any responsibility towards you. Okay. And Seven of Pentacles, they have no desire towards you. No, not a single desire toward you. They are not manifesting you. And the High Priestess, they are also not the wise person. They are, I think, some kind of foolish person, stupid person, that they don't think about you. They have no desire towards you, or still they don't know that they have any responsibilities towards you. Okay, they are not searching for you. They don't want to have any path toward you, any way towards you. They are not even thinking about you. Temperance, you have to wait for them, or you have to heal yourself. This situation is very bad. They are not thinking about you, and you have to take a decision over here. I think you love them, but they don't in love with you. You have to change your mind and think about something else. You have to make your mind, but you are still want to win that person, to discover that person, to win that person. And I think you are Aries. You are very determined. You want to do it. You have lots of desires, lots of love, lots of feeling towards that person. You want to share your happiness, your love, your everything with that person, and you are going to manifest that person. This is Leo card, and you want to change that person's thoughts, and that is not going to happen over here with that card. Okay, with this getting to know each other, they don't want to know, even they don't want to even know you. I think they hate you. Pink Lotus Fairy, a time for spirits. You have to join your spirits. You have to spend the time alone and doing yoga, talking to your God, to your Allah. Okay, this person is not good for you. Carnivorous Flower Fairy, a tempting offer has a high price. If you are forcefully going to marry that person, but that person is not good for you, they will destroy your life. Definitely they will destroy your life. And with this I am Kali, from death comes rebirth. You have to end this situation over here. The God will have something new for you. You don't know that, but the God have something, Allah have something new for you. You have to end this situation over here. This person is this is not good for you. Gems and jewelry. If you are going to leave that person, when you are able to leave that person, you are making the decision to leave them, then you will get some beautiful thing, gems, jewelry, love, happiness from God. I want to pull some more cards for you. Okay, your first card is ideas. You have to change your ideas, or you have a lot of ideas to come towards that person, but you have to change your ideas towards that person. This is not good person for you. Make these ideas towards someone else. Okay. But you have to work a lot on yourself, so you can change your perspective. about that person was some uh, restrictions, some blockages on the way. Whatever you do, never run back to what broke you. Okay, the card is telling you that don't go back to that person. That person will never let you with them, and they also broke your always broke your heart. Okay, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. I know. I think that you have got what the card wants to say to you. You can change your life. You can forget that person. Okay, with this card, Priest Goddess of the marriage and motherhood, audience, wife, and the Queen of Asgard, mother of Balder. Okay, I think God planning. They are planning for you something, and they are giving you best thing that you think. Some days even the devil sits back and admires my work. Okay, that person is telling you that that person is the person that the devils also admire their work. They are the bad person. Don't think about that person. They are not good for you. And you are going to have the universe in your hand. You are going to change the universe. You are going to have all happiness, all the goodness in your life. Don't cry about that person. It's called karma, and it's pronounced haha. Okay, this is the karma. This is the karma that this is going to happen to you, because this person is not good for you, and you have to think about your own good. The person that loves you, that person that care about you. Okay, the agar not for unmanly, not from manhood, something else beyond our thoughts. That person is not good for you. Don't think that this is human or this is something. This is a bad person. No, I am not telling you that this is devil, but this person is not good for you. When someone says that you can't do it, then do it twice and take pictures. If someone is telling you that you can't forget them, you can't leave them, then do it. You can do it. With this card, mermaid. Okay, the voice of your soul. Listen to voice of your soul. Do you want to have disaster in your life? You want to be beaten by someone? You want to betray by someone, or abused by someone? Or you want to love by someone and care for you, who can care for you? Canonical perspective. We can remember almost all objects from the canonical perspective. That means we see things from the side and slightly above. You unconsciously see most objects from the exact same vantage point. So you have to think about that situation, that why the universe is not giving that person to you, why is that person is not good for you, so you can get some way that why is that person is not in your life. Being naked, you are being judged. You wanted to hide your true personality to please others, similar to lose teeth. Fully accept yourself in front of others without public approval. Okay, I think that with that person, maybe this person is like that, they are like this, they are like that, that person, they are talking about you, the bad things around the pupils, and I think nobody can like that, the private things, they are talking about your private things, and you don't like anybody to talk you about like this. Okay, so leave that person. This person is not good. They want to leave you, and they are doing everything that they can leave you. You have the word in your hand. You are going to change. You are able to change your life. Please change your life. Think about someone else, not that person. Sun, the sun is for you. You are going to have some clarity about this person, and now you are going to change your thoughts about that person. You are going to I think that you're going to have some good person in your life that will love you. Disaster, confusion, conflict, and power of will to overcome them. Yes, you have uh, desire to overcome that situation. That's good for you. Yellow color, yes, this is also for sun card, and that is abundance, happiness. You are going to have abundance, happiness, because you are going to change yourself. Okay. Intuitions, yes, your intuitions are very high. You are very intuitive person. That's why you are able to change that thing. You are not thinking about that person anymore, or you will do it. Okay, with that card, the negativity gene. Some people are, what is this? Some people are genetically predisposed to negative thoughts, automatically rest on the negative emotions, while other people thought something calming and beautiful. People with the negative gene found them dangerous and alarming when shown them the crowded room. They react with angry or sad faces. Maybe that person is like uh, these persons negative thinkers, and that's why they are not good for you, and the universe are not giving them to you, because they know that you don't deserve this. You deserve something more beautiful, more loving, more caring. Leave that person. Don't think about that person. This person is not good for you. And this is the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about your situation, then go and watch my uh, previous videos. If you want to know, if you want to see my new videos, then you have to subscribe, and you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get all the readings, my new videos, and you definitely can get some advice from them, some clarity. So with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. We will meet some other day.